welcome to our high-tech facility. Today, I'll show you exactly how it's made, a step-by-step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
We achieve micro-precision through advanced lithography. This ensures the highest quality circuits are etched onto every silicon wafer.
We have stabilization on sector gamma.
Optimal production levels achieved.
Parameters are stable across the board. We are at peak efficiency.
Acknowledged. Maintaining current levels.
Final inspection ensures only the best products leave the facility.
And that's how it's made. Boop and Fizz, from design to reality.
Subscribe for more AI Tech Factory tours and engineering documentaries.